Ayan, naputol yung ano ko kanina. Nangalikot kasi ako sa cellphone. Ayan, mamaya tayo pumunta sa kusina. Maaga pa naman. Maaga pa naman. Isang cellphone, ayaw. Gumana! Come on. Toink, toink, toink. Ayan, oh, tingnan mo ang lola ko. Naging concern siya sa buhok ko. Hiningi niya ito doon sa may, kay Sam, doon sa may salon. Kala ko nagulat ako. Sabi niya, Sam, can I have one from your clips? Sabi niya. Eh, hindi sila makatanggi basta si lola. Kasi, talagang, ano siya doon. Ano ba yan? Customer. Tapos namili siya. Yung pink ang pinili talaga niya. Sabi ko sa isip, si Lola nanghingi kako. Marami naman siyang mga ipit na hindi ganito. Pero maganda kasi siya, kasi nabibend siya, Nakikita niya kasi yung clip ko, bumili ako sa Dollarama. Ang liliit, may binigay siya sa akin, Lulem. Magandang brand ito. Kumaga isang brand nila dito, na brand siya. Lulemon. Ngayon, nahuhulog sa buhok ko. Kaya ayoko siyang masira dahil nahuhulog. Kaya, bumili ako ng mga maliliit. Ganito. Tapos, nung hindi ko pa kinat yung buhok ko, syempre mahaba hanggang sa puwet. Gaganyan lagi kong tinatanggal kasi tapos nagaganyan. Tapos nung kinat ko siya, ganito binili ko. Hindi siya mapakali. Humingi siya sa salon nung Sabado, Martes, kasi pumunta kami doon bago sila lumipad ngayon. Tapos, sabi niya, can I have one of your clips? Sabi niya kay Sam. Yung Sam, yung nag-ano sa ulo niya, nagwawash siya hair niya. And then, sabi ko, bakit? Humingi si Lola. Marami naman siyang clip. Hindi ganitong style. Tapos, pag uwi namin sa bahay, don't you know that I just asked for this from Sam because it is for you. Because you always keep yung inaayos doon yung buhok ko dahil yung hair ko. Nagpasalamat ako kasi hindi ko to, maganda talaga kasi siya, nabibend siya. Kaya kung yung buhok mo talaga is makapal na yung hindi na makain ng ganito, ito maganda siya kasi nagbe-bend siya. Nagbe-bend siya, flexible. Maganda siya. Sabi ko, salamat Lola. Diba? Yung hair ko na is layer niya. Mag-isa na naman tayo dito sa bahay. Balis sila, isang buwan na naman sila. Pagbalik daw nila, kasi kasuhin na namin yung pag-a-apply ko sa PR ko. Sinabi niya sa akin kanina. We will work on your PR when we come back. Kasi September naman yung usapan namin. Kakausapin na naman nila yung naglalakad ng papel ko. Ayan, di ba? Gusto ko yung hair ko. Sariling sikap na nag-cut. Maganda siya. Bagay sa akin, di ba? Ganda-ganda ko. Walang ko kontra dyan. Feeling. Yun ang tingin ko sa sarili ko, di ba? Nanood ako, sabi ko Hindi pa sila nakarating yun. 7 pasahan. Parang ang tagal ng oras. Gusto ko siya kasi cute lang siya. Mag 2 years na rin sa akin bago ito nabigay sa akin ng pagdating ko dito. Mag 2 taon na rin ako. Manood tayo ng mga sa YouTube. Sa YouTube lang naman ako nanonood kasi wala naman. Doon sa TV 11:30 kasi yung inaano namin teleserye na Chinese. Dahil ano rin mo kasi Revelation ni
At Bombas, we dream of comfort, movement, softness.
Hello everyone, wherever
Ang
you
ganda
are
talaga
watching
ng
from,
ano, ng
it's a
sound
good
ng
morning
Apple.
from
Yun ang
here,
maganda
and
yung sound.
welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for your kind support. Thank you for always watching my videos.
Pinafollow ko din kasi.
I truly appreciate so much.
Uy,
It's
makikita na
Monday
rin ako
and
sa
it's the
YouTube ko.
28th of July
May earnings na
2025,
ako.
and I want to thank God for this day. I want to thank God for the gift of life. I want to thank God for His blessings towards me, and I want to thank you once again all for being there always for me. For those who reach out to me through my FB, thank you so much. And I want to say thank you so much for your encouraging words. Thank you for always strengthening me.
Hi, Charmaine.
Thank you for always standing
Hindi ako
by
busy,
my
kaya
side. And I want to say that all that you do for me, the prayers that you always put me in, I want to say that thank you so much. And I'll always do the same, guys. I'm not
ganda ng pagkaliit.
the Auntie Christina, anymore. No, things have changed. The boys have not gone to school today. They're home.
Hello, kamusta kayo, Chan?
I want to say things are not the
Marik na
same
busy, tawan
again like
katapano
they
ya
used
amok
to be.
ira. Magdakanto
But
naman. Okay laman pa
I just want to say
Jesse sakman ka
God has
balayin
been
nga dahil.
faithful to me. God has really
Magdakanto
been
na.
so much faithful. When you're in
Kala kabaling ko pa na zoot. Kamusta kayo pa
a
kanyan?
land that you don't belong to, it's quite so much hard. Yeah, it's so much hard,
Dagkan ko ni
guys.
Bambalang
It's
kung
so
balik ba
much hard
nabalik
for
ni
me,
washing.
but, I just need strength. I don't know how, but whatever comes, I'll just accept it that way. Yeah, like I said, I'm not going to talk all what happened here, not until I reach my father's compound. I don't know how, but not until I reach home. Yeah, not
mosquito.
until I reach home. And
Madamaya na bambal ko.
actually today is my
Dagang
last
ko
day
ni
of the
washing.
visa. Yeah, today is the 28th, and I have to go and renew my visa. But all is just like that. Yeah, all is still like that. Yeah, whatever comes my
Yo,
way,
kinat ko yung hair ko.
just want to say
Sarili
that,
ka lang
I'm
kinat.
ready.
Layer,
Yeah.
yun.
God is fighting for me so much hard. Yeah, God is fighting so much hard for me. Yeah, what I've realized, people don't nowadays defend what is right. They instead defend what is wrong. Yeah, they only defend what is wrong. I mean, what is wrong. Yeah, like I said, a lot is going on, but I only need God to strengthen me. I don't know whether I'll go for my visa renewal or I'll not go. I'll still let you know. Yeah, I'll still let you know, but things are not the same again. Things are not the same again. Where I've reached, it's enough for me. It's enough for me. I've swallowed a lot, and I feel I cannot swallow anymore. Don't want to swallow now. I've swallowed enough. Yeah, but I pray for the best. I pray for the
Ondong
best,
karong
and
ako nga resibo
continue
kapaga.
supporting me
Maripay
wherever
na
you
kapaga
are.
kanyo.
Just continue
Gagapot ko
supporting
ira.
me, and
Nandiyo.
I know
Ika-curse the look
the
tayo
God
bayakan
I
niyo.
serve
Yung
is a
message da.
faithful God, and I know one day, one time, when the time is right, yeah, the truth is going to be revealed.
Revolt.
Yeah, the truth is going to be revealed, and I'm not going to keep this as a secret in me to hurt me, to torment me. No, I'm going to speak what I have gone through. I'm going to speak what I've seen. Yeah, what I've seen, how I've been treated, how I've been
Wrong,
handled.
wrong, wrong.
Yeah, sometimes we just keep quiet and we fight silently. I can't be somewhere where nobody, like no one.
I'm nobody, nobody but
It's
you.
quite hard for me, guys. It's really hard for me. You know, being somewhere where no one wants to talk to you. Yeah.
I shoot.
However much, God, I don't know how, but if it fails, it fails,
It's not-
I will ask for help. I don't know how, I don't know where, but I'll have to ask for help, God. I'll have to ask for help. They'll have to do it. Otherwise, I might go crazy.
Ay, naku, Diyos ko, Charmaine. Tiis la at tiyaga.
Things are not the same again. And I don't
Ya kan
think
gafukan niya, na oras kami makatkaturog. Yung awanda sa nga, igina nga, kan isang
I don't think
bulan, igina nga.
that I'll
Yan time
always
sa
pray
matters.
to my God.
Siyempre ka muna makakaturog at tanasanay o
Whatever comes,
magigit kanya katurog ni
whatever
Pelaman.
storm that is coming on my way, I'm ready. I'm ready. This is the third day, I think now. I don't have appetite for any food. I
Anxiety,
don't have appetite.
depression.
I don't have appetite. Sometimes I don't feel like even showering. I don't have appetite for anything.
What's Aerola? It's an eSIM. Just pick a plane before your flight and boom, you're connected the second you land. No expensive roaming charge.
And those who will judge me, you'll judge me. Whether you'll judge me right or wrong, but that is it. They say everything happens for a reason, so let's watch this space. Like I said earlier, my visa renewal, the deadline is today. Yeah, the deadline is today. But I reminded the person who was in charge, yeah, of giving me the money to go and renew my visa. That was last week. Then he told me we shall do it today. So when he came this morning, I asked whether I'll do what? I'll go and get my visa renewed, because I understand that if you don't renew, like if you don't renew it, if you pass some days, they give you a penalty. Yeah, you pay extra more
Yeah.
money. So this person told me he's going somewhere. Yeah, he's going somewhere. Then he'll come back at lunchtime. At lunchtime, then for me, I'll go and do my what? Visa renewal. Remember, the kids did not go to school today. Yeah, they did not go. So I thought maybe he would go and get done with whatever that he wants to do. Then he comes back, stay maybe with the kids. Then for my do what? I go and I get my visa renewed. Yeah, cause the deadline is today. So